this video, we're going to have a look at word problems with fractions. 2/3 of students at a school are boys. If there are 900 students at the school, how many are boys? That is 2/3 of the 900 students are boys. We need to remember that of means multiply. That is 2/3 of 900 students is the same as writing 2/3 times 900. When we multiply by a whole number, we can put the whole number as a fraction over 1. Now, rather than multiplying 2 times 900, we might like to break it up so we can cancel a denominator. That is 2/3 times, let's write it as 3 times 300 just to make it simpler for ourselves. We now have a 3 in the numerator and the 3 in the denominator. So 2 times 300 is 600 boys. So remember, fractions of amount means multiply. The next problem, 1/4 of a bill was paid by Jill, 1/5 by Jay, and 1/8 by Jai. What fraction of the bill did Joe have left to pay? We need to remember that a whole, in this case, is one whole, 100%, or 1. So this problem could be presented as 1 minus the amount of the bill that is already paid. That is 1/4 plus 1/5 plus 1/8. We now have to be able to add these fractions, have a common denominator. The lowest common denominator is 40. So we can rewrite it as 1 minus 10 over 40 plus 8 over 40 plus 5 over 40, all over 40. We now have 1 minus 23 over 40. I've got rid of the brackets here, but you can keep them. Now, 1 whole is 40 over 40. Taking away 23 over 40, they now have common denominators. 40 take away 23 is 17 over 40. That is, Joe will have to pay 17/40 of the bill that's remaining. The next word problem is that words represent operations and it's identifying the key words. 2 1/4 leftover pizza is shared among 3 friends. How much will each receive? The key word here, hopefully you saw, is shared between. So the sum would be 2 1/4 shared between 3 people. Now you can do this in lots of different ways. I like to actually do division of fractions as a division. That is 2 1/4 over 3. To get rid of the fraction in the numerator, we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 using the distributive law. We get 8 plus 1 over 12, which simplifies to 9 over 12, and we finally get our answer 3/4. Each person will receive 3/4 of a pizza.